Okay then, continuing from the previous video, I select this leftmost cell, hold down Shift and then click to select all these cells. I can drag down to copy the equations down to do 400 bets instead of just 10. I think I need to go to row 403. Okay, and this is your final result after 400 bets. I press F9. You can easily lose or win $500 or $1,000. Now to graph that, let's go up here. I will select all of these the bankroll results. Click here, drag down here, Shift and click, and then I'll do insert recommended charts. This one looks pretty good. Click OK. It's outside your view, but I click OK, and there's the chart. I like to make this line skinnier, so I click it, then right click and do outline, weight, 1.25 points. And if I press F9, it readjusts the scale on the left side for each set of data. I like to use the same range for all the time. So if I click on the scale on the left, I can set the minimum to minus 1,000 and the maximum to plus 1,000. And I want to put the horizontal axis at the bottom. No, at a particular place at the bottom, which is what, minus 1,000. Press enter. Let's see how that looks. Close this. Press F9, and then we got the scale that stays fixed. Okay, now suppose we want to graph the results of just betting the pass bet and not taking odds, and just winning or losing $5 at a time. We can modify this spreadsheet. As follows. We'll say another column for just pass. Whenever this bet wins, the pass wins just the original bet size. And likewise for a loss, it loses just the original pass bet. We can make a function for that. We'll say equals if the win, mistake, if left parenthesis, if the win is greater than 0, that means if it is a win, then you win the original pass bet, which is the number in the A1 column, $A, $1. Otherwise, you lose the amount in that cell, so I'll say minus $A, $1, right parenthesis. I will drag this down. So you can see whenever there's a win here, you have a win here, and when you have a loss here, you have a loss here, but it's only $5 each time. So the pass bankroll will start with 0, and then each time the bankroll changes it's equal to your previous bankroll plus the pass win. That's the function. Let's see if that works. Okay, you win 5, it's 5. You lose 5, 0. You lose 5, minus 5. It seems to be working. So I'm going to select this cell. Ignore this warning. It's saying that this function is different from this or something. We'll ignore that. Select this, Shift, click here, drag this down all the way to the bottom, 403 or whatever it was. Okay. And now we'll select this chart. Let's change the title. $5 pass, 3x, 4x, 5x. That's the blue line anyway. And then we'll graph the just the pass bit. So we'll select this graph, right click. Let's try it again. Right click, select data. We already have the series one, which is the existing graph. We'll add a new graph. We'll call it pass only. And it will contain which cells? From here to here. Shift click OK. I'll click OK. And there it is. I'll change this color. Click it to select it. Right click, and I want to change the color to green. And I want to change the weight to 1.5 point. I can enlarge this graph. Okay, press F9. So you can see taking the odds bet puts a lot more money at risk, and you have a much greater fluctuation in your capital than just betting $5 on pass. All right, good luck.